Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2017 67 registered Audi S5. This is the 3-litre TFSI Quattro Coupe 8-speed automatic. Current recorded mileage sits on exactly 36,874. So one reg to keep a car from new, arguably one of the best colours, which is Daytona Grey Pearl. The car is in great condition, I hope, as you can see. It does come with full Audi specialist service history. There were 5 services in total. Most recent service was carried out in April 24, approximately 2,500 miles ago. MOT expires on the 12th of March 2025. The only advisory now being a small chip in the windscreen. The car sits on a very good set of tyres. The front tyres are nearly new on 7mm and the rear tyres are on 6.5mm. This car has a host of factory options. It does have the Audi LED matrix lights, the upgraded 19-inch Turbine Alloys, as well as having front and rear parking sensors, rear camera. Moving inside, got the beautiful quilted leather upholstery with some suede leather door cards, set of fitted mats, both front and rear. The rear's got separate ventilation controls. You've got massage facility along with the electric seats for both driver and passenger. Car comes with powerful mirrors, multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel with cruise control, as well as speed limiter. Media system, so satellite navigation, as you can see. Also comes with Bluetooth for telephone. It does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Also does have a CD player, and as well as being able to play DVD movie. You've got twin USB, as well as an auxiliary in. Heated front seats. Say 8-speed automatic transmission. This lovely condition, one registered keeper Audi S5 is declared as Motor Check Provenance Clear. It is fully prepared for sale and can be driven away on the same day as viewing. The car will be supplied with 2 keys. We have the full book pack. The car also has a spare wheel. All the tools are present, as well as the locking wheel nuts. For further information, just urge you to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography as well as the walk around video, see all of our warranty information, as well as reading our interactive calculator. We also hold all paperwork for the car in PDF form, so you can view the MOT, V5 and service history on our website too. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us, Berkshire Used Cars.